Hola, yo soy el profesor Oscar Guerra. I'm a filmmaker and I produce documentary for social change.
Hi, I'm Professor Heather Casano. I shoot, edit, and direct personal documentary films. I also work as a colorist on independent short and feature films.
Merhaba, ben Professor Tanju Özdemir. I'm a narrative filmmaker, writing, directing, and producing short and feature-length films.
Hi, I'm Professor Nikki Steer-Justice. I'm a film producer, distributor, and entertainment executive.
And I'm Professor Heather Elliott-Famularo, and in addition to being a digital artist and documentary filmmaker, I'm also the department head for digital media and design. Our DMD film and video program is led by talented, award-winning faculty whose expertise covers a wide range of filmmaking approaches, from documentary to narrative film and the business side of filmmaking, from marketing to distribution and everything in between. And our DMD community is full of bright and ambitious students who love making films through DMD classes, in UConn's film clubs, and independently. And we encourage our students to find and express their voice through the creative process, building from their own unique experiences and background. And now, more than ever, a diversity of voices must be heard in today's society. And we see great promise in our DMD students' ability to make a difference in the world as future digital content creators, distributors, and analyzers.
Here in the film and video production concentration, we begin with an emphasis on storytelling. We'll teach you how to craft a narrative and create character arcs in all genres of film. Then we dive into the technical side of filmmaking with classes in cinematography, editing, and sound design.
You will have professional experience by working as an agency for national and international brands in classes and through internships. You will acquire a global perspective for storytelling by focusing on raw cinema examples, learning professional script writing, and working with actors.
As a film and video student, you'll have the chance to work with other concentrations, such as motion design and animation or business strategies. You will learn from a group of very talented people.
And industry professionals ranging from Academy Award nominated filmmakers to studio insiders. At UConn, you gain access to top talent from around the globe as you peek behind the curtains at every phase of the filmmaking process.
We are a young, vibrant, and diverse department that is ready to explore new ideas. We're ready to equip you with the theory and practice that you need.
We offer hands-on production experience and small class sizes. At UConn, you'll start working with production equipment from day one.
In the digital media and design department, you get real-world experience on a variety of client-based projects, like creating social media and marketing assets for a feature film release.
We will help you to discover your creative potential to become good storytellers.
And DMD filmmaking empowers you to use your voice and create meaningful stories that have the power to influence change in the world. We invite you to join the UConn DMD family.